Hello, Sophia. To save, it can be a little bit tricky in Photoshop. What you want to do is you want to go up to your file and go to save, save a copy as opposed to save as. You can click save a copy, and then this is where you're going to get all those other options. So we want that JPEG, the first one, not the JPEG 2000 or the stereo, but just regular JPEG. And go ahead and save it, and then you can do it. Um, so let's make a change on this real quick. All right, so if you're gonna save, just click save. I'm gonna say save as. So there's a button right here that says save a copy. That'll allow you to also get to that JPEG as well. So sometimes when you just click save, oh, let me go back. Sometimes when you just click save, it just saves it as whatever Photoshop. Let's see, let's add something here. Saves it just as whatever Photoshop it has. But if you click right here, so it doesn't have any other options, but if you click that save a copy, it'll give you that JPEG option that you need. All right, hope that helped.